everyone, welcome. So today I have a Target haul, and there were some items on there that I had my eye on, so I decided to make an order. So I got some body care and some laundry care, and I'm going to start with a couple of these cleaners that I purchased with my last haul, and I'm just going to give you an update on how they worked out. So I did purchase the Sprayway glass cleaner, foaming action, ammonia free. Now, if you're Canadian, you can buy this on Amazon Canada, and I actually did order a 4-pack, and I'm expecting it in a few days. I did try this out quite a bit, and I'm really quite impressed with it. If you don't want to order off Amazon, I know if you're Canadian, you can purchase Bon Ami, which is another foaming glass cleanser that works quite well too. I really do like the smell of this one. I use this on my shower door where there's a lot of soap scum, and I used it on some outside windows and mirrors, and it really does a really good job of cleaning and not leaving a lot of streaks or very little. So yeah, I really am impressed with this. It lives up to the hype. So yeah, good update for that. And then this is the Zep foaming wall cleaner, and you can also buy this on Amazon Canada. So I did also purchase some more cans of this because with the dogs and the birds, the dogs lay at the top of the stairs, they lean against the walls, and when they come in from outside, they're all dirty. They kind of rub themselves against the walls and that. So you're supposed to spray this on and then wipe immediately. For those heavy-duty stains, I usually wait maybe 15 or 20 seconds. But it did not lift off any of the paint off the walls or damage the walls. In the powder room, I had these dark rusty red walls, and I sprayed the walls in there, and it did not come off on the cloth, the paint color. So it works very well. I really do like that. All right, so for the Target haul, now I'm not sure, I believe this particular Dove scent came out maybe last winter. I don't follow what they carry in the States too much, but I believe this did come out last year. So I did pick a couple of these up from Target, and this is in the hot cocoa swirl. I did get 2 of the body washes. This is rich hot chocolate, notes of cocoa and toasted marshmallows. And this smells absolutely fantastic. This smells like a very authentic hot chocolate. Oh, it is so good. Very authentic. And yeah, I'm glad they still have that. I'm not sure if they have it on the Walmart US site or not, but definitely on the Target site they did. And then this is the same scent, hot cocoa swirl, and this is in the body scrub. And I do like the body scrubs. They're not overly harsh, and oh, they just smell so good. Yeah, some once in a while the scrub smells a little bit different from the body wash, but in this case they both very much smell like authentic hot chocolate. So yeah, I did want to get 2 of each of those. I hope it comes out again when I'm done them. It's just such a good scent. I had a hot chocolate scented body scrub from Winners or Marshalls, and it was from Australia, and it was authentic also. And I've been trying to look for another really good hot chocolate scent since then. And now this is from their the Dove Garden Tea Party line. Now, I didn't hear about this until I was kind of watching some videos, and yeah, this popped up, and I think this came out in maybe July or August. So yeah, I thought they would have maybe brought it out a bit earlier in the spring or something, but I did pick up the one scent. This seems to be the scent that most people like the most. And again, the Garden Tea Party line, and this is Velvet Fig Bloom. And this is Velvet Figs, Blossoming Lilac, and Warm Spun Sugar. And this really, really smells fantastic. Now this one's it's a little more watery, I guess you could say, or it's not as solid as the other Dove scrubs for whatever reason. Oh my gosh, this is really, really good. And this is strong. Oh, I get the fig, I get the floral. Oh, the sugariness. Oh, it is really, really good. So, I think I looked on a day or two ago, and I think all the scrubs in this line were sold out, and maybe some of the body washes too. So I don't think it lasts too long. But anyway, I am glad I did get my hand on this Velvet Fig Bloom. I hope to get some more scrub or the body wash in this because it's really, really a lovely scent. Now this might have come out last year, again, don't quote me. This is the Frosted Plumberry in the Dove. And this is Frosted Plumberry and Spun Sugar. Yeah, this one's more solid too, I don't know. Yeah, this is just sweet plum and winter berries. Oh, so lovely. Really happy with all those scents. Sometimes when you buy online, you don't know what you're going to get. But I'm really, really happy with all of those. And then I do like my shave oils. You only need to use a very small amount. Your razor just glides over your skin. I don't get nicks when I use the shave oil, and they're very moisturizing. So I do have some Tree Hut shave oils, and EOS, I bought the vanilla cashmere one. So this is the Tree Hut Mary Mint, and I did buy the body scrub in this particular scent from the Real Canadian Superstore. So I did want to get the shave oil, and this is really strong. I'm not going to take off the lid because it's going to go everywhere, but it's a very, very strong mint scent. And I was very impressed with how Target did package these. Like the fabric softener and the body washes and that were in plastic bags, separate plastic bags with that heavy duty twist tie. And then they had they also had some stickers over it so the lid wouldn't pop open. So I had absolutely no spillage at all with any of these. So it was very, very good packaging. Oh, and this is the EOS hand cream, and I do like their vanilla cashmere scent. I do have the body lotion and the shave oil in the vanilla cashmere, so I did want to get the hand cream because I go through a lot of hand cream in the winter. My skin gets very, very dry. And this is whipped vanilla, soft musk, and cozy caramel. So yeah, great smell. And then for the last two items, I did get some fabric softener. So I'm trying to get away from fabric softener. I know it's not good for your machine. It kind of builds up. They say that your towels don't get as absorbent if you use fabric softener. I haven't found that. I find my towels still very, very absorbent, even using fabric softener. But maybe it's just the type of machine I have, I don't know. But lately I've been trying vinegar rinses. I use the Downy rinse, and Lysol has their, what's it called? It's like a sanitizer without the bleach. So I use that for the dog's beds and the sheets and any clothing that might just have kind of that musky kind of smell to it, or scents that just are kind of stubborn. I use those type of rinses in that. But I sometimes, especially with my sheets and towels, I just love wrapping up after a hot shower and smelling, wonderful smelling sheets and towels. So I do still throw my fabric softener in once in a while. But I did see these two particular scents from Downy, and I really did want to try them. And this is from their Cozy Collection line, and this is Chai Latte, and I love my chai latte to drink. I love the chai latte scent. So I thought I'd try it in the softener, but this smells like fabric softener. Your usual Downy fabric softener. I don't get chai latte. My nose just does not pick up on chai latte. It is concentrated, obviously, in this form. Maybe after I wash my clothes and take them out, I'll be able to pick up on the chai latte. But right now, some on my nose, it just smells like fabric softener. So a little disappointing, but I mean, it still smells good. It just doesn't smell like chai latte. Now this one I do really like, and this is the Cherry Jubilee scent in the collection. This does smell like cherry, but not your medicinal cough syrup kind of cherry. It's, what notes do they got? Ripe cherries with subtle hint of citrus. Well, to me, it's a very musky, very soft, soothing cherry scent. It's just so relaxing. I can feel my blood pressure diving right now. It's just lovely. It's very musky and soft. So if you're kind of put off by cherry scents, this one's just so soft and cozy. Yeah, I really, really like this particular one. So yeah, so that's it. That is my Target haul and a little update about some cleaners. And yeah, I've been kind of neglecting my cleaning this past year, and my house just needs a good, deep clean. So I've been buying a lot of different products and that lately, and yeah, it's just this year, it's just the puppies both had operations, and my mom was in the hospital, and then we're trying to find a nursing home for her. Then we're going on some vacations, and just didn't seem to be home too much this year. So yeah, my house needs a deep cleaning. So if you have any particular products that you really do like, just let me know. I did buy that new Vileda cleaner that you press on the handle and the brush spins. I do have that one, but I bought the new updated one where you keep the dirty and clean water separate, and I really like that one. So anyway, yeah, if you have a favorite cleaning product, let me know. But yeah, I'm doing some major deep cleaning lately. So everyone take care. Give your loved ones a hug and kiss, and hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.